Hello beautiful friends, welcome to my cooking class. Here is my quick chicken noodle recipe. Don't forget to check and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For the best chicken noodles, I use chicken thighs. Sugar and salt is not necessary in this recipe. Melt butter in the pot. Saute the onion until golden color. Add the chicken. Add a lot sweet soya sauce for the color and also for the sweet taste. For a balanced taste, add a salty soya sauce. Add mushroom, spring onion and cook until 5 minutes. Prepare the cooked spaghetti on the plate. Add the chicken and spring onion as a garnish. You can add it sriracha sauce for the spicy taste and it's very nice.
Perfect.
Yummy.
Enjoy trying my recipe guys. Thank you.
Say, what do you think?